Action.
Folks, thank you very much for your purchase. I want you to know, starting in 2011, when you buy a new Toyota, there's two different ways that we can prepare it for your driving. Number one is the old bucket wash. We just wash it for you and get it clean. The other way, Mr. Clark, you're my customer. The other way is Xylon. Now, Xylon is a comprehensive inside-out treatment of your new vehicle. It's done right here by our factory-trained technicians. It's not done at the factory because it's specific for vehicles driven in this climate. Now, the first thing they do is treat the entire exterior with a polymer blend. This molecular adhesion, first thing you'll notice is you don't need to wax your car. This stuff is so slick, wax won't stick to it. Neither do bird droppings, tree sap, acid rain. You know those bugs in the summertime that'll stick to the front of your car and eat into the paint? Well, it won't do that anymore. In fact, because of this treatment, you are guaranteed that 5 years from now, your car will still look just as shiny new as it does today. And when I say nothing sticks to it, folks, this is black spray paint. No big deal. This is the same thing that they use on Air Force One and throughout the airline industry. Why? For de-icing. Makes it a lot easier. It'll make it a lot easier for you too. Now, then they hop on the interior. They treat the entire interior with a hypoallergenic solution that's about 1,000 times more effective than Scotchgard because it never needs to be reapplied. So for the next 5 years, you will have no stains or discolorations on your interior either, even on the floorboards. Now, this is Tim.